There's multiple ways of playing sound effects triggered by your channel points. Today we're going to be using one of them, and we are going to be using Polypop. If you don't know what it is OBS, but basically in a 3D space. Made multiple videos about it, please watch them. I know that StreamerBot is also a great alternative if you're just going to be using it for sound effects. The reason why I'm using Polypop is because it's very easy to connect to your Twitch channel and have access not only to channel points, but also follow alerts, subscriber alerts, host rate, all of that stuff. Recently made a video on how you can display 3D text as an alert that would bounce around, and someone commented, hey, can you make the same tutorial but for sound alerts so that you can combine them with the 3D text? Yes, let's do it. I'm in Polypop right now. I'm gonna create a new scene by clicking on the plus, boom, and there's multiple ways of adding your sound effects. First of all, you can add it in the library directly, so you click plus on the library and then you go find an audio clip. Boom, now you find your audio clip. There's multiple supported files, including MP3, WAV, and OGG. I have a bunch of OGG ones, for example, beep beep. I don't even remember what that sounds like. And you can see it will be added to my library, all right? Now let's go back to our layers, basically. Let's click on plus and let's find sound. Boom, and we can click add. And now it's gonna go through the library and tell us to pick the sound that we want. That's why we added it first, but if we didn't add it, right here, there's a plus. You can add more clips right there, all right? Let's click on beep beep. Let's click okay. And if we wanted it to loop, there was an option there, but we don't want to do that. Now, here's the thing with Polypop is that if you want to monitor whatever sound is playing, if you want to hear it, you have to click on this. I don't know if I can set it to be by default when I open Polypop, but basically every time I open up Polypop, I remember to just click on this so I can hear whatever plays. And if I play this, Jesus Christ, that's loud. Okay, we have a little bit of a sound, and technically if you know the rest, you know the rest. But let's go to library and let's go find our Twitch alerts. If it's your first time doing it, you're gonna click on the plus, you're gonna go find Twitch alerts, and then you're gonna connect your Twitch account, and then you'll have access to all of this. So let's check out all the possibilities that you have with Twitch. You have username, view count, follower count. You heard that? View count. That means that if you hit like 10 viewers, you can have an alert or some text pop up on screen or whatever you want to do with Polypop. That's why I wanna use it. But let's go back to channel points because that's probably what my title is gonna say, right? You can click plus if you haven't added a channel point yet. It's gonna duplicate one of them. You can pick right there and you're gonna pick which one you want. Let's go with the wow, for example. And this is the easy button. On redeem, you want this to do this and you drag it to play. Boom. Super easy. Test it. When someone redeems it, this is what's gonna happen. Now, this is a channel point that I previously went into Twitch and created. If you don't know how to create channel points, I don't know what to tell you at this point. You would have to go to your Twitch dashboard. You would have to go to viewer rewards, channel points, manage rewards and challenges, create a new one, and then pick it on Polypop, basically. See that? Add new custom reward, boom, you name it, you do all of that. Also, yes, you need to be at least Twitch affiliated or partnered in order to have access to channel points. But if you're watching this and you're realizing this right now, Polypop still gives you access to all of that stuff where you don't need to be affiliated to have access to it. So your follower count, your subscriber count, you have normal alerts. If you have a new follower, if you have a new subscription, new gift, if you want someone to type something in chat in order to trigger that, you can also do that. It's chat alerts, a keyword. You can just click plus, add a new keyword, and you're good. And you're right. This would be the command, and you can type, what is it? Beep. Okay, and we can make it so that every time someone types beep in my chat, it will play this sound. Let's go in my chat. Let's type beep. I linked the wrong stuff. Let's unlink it. So the command is beep. It's right there. Drag, drop. Okay, now we can type beep. Just like that. And that's how you do it. Polypop is completely free while it's in beta right now, so download it, try it. Stop asking me questions. Oh, will it do this? Will it do that? You can try that. It will take you 5 minutes to install it, try it out on your computer. Yeah, but how's the resource on my PC? Download it and try it. It is free. It will take you 5 minutes to download and install. Just install it. Anyways, follow me on Twitch because I'll be streaming like 4 times a week now, and I miss you. I want to see your face over there. Okay, so go follow me on Twitch and all of my other socials. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching the video. Go out there, make me proud, get level out.